future of sex.
Welcome back to the future of sex. Last time, we showed you how we create AI-enhanced fantasy photos where we generate a third partner using AI without involving a real person.
If you haven't seen part 1, check it out first. In this video, we're taking things a step further, bringing our AI-generated partner to life by animating her. We're starting with the AI-generated image, where we created an AI-generated partner. Now, we'll use AI animation software to give her motion and make her talk.
These tools use deep learning to sync facial movements with voice input. You can type in text or use pre-recorded audio to make your AI partner talk naturally. And this is only the beginning.
Let's try this. We'll have her introduce herself using an AI-generated voice.
So, where is this all heading? AI isn't just about photos, it's about creating fully interactive experiences. Imagine a future where you can design an AI partner who looks, talks, and even reacts to you in real time.
We're talking about AI-driven personalities, real-time chat interactions, and even fully immersive VR or holographic experiences.
With AI-generated partners, couples can explore new dynamics in a way that's private, customizable, and completely designed for them.
We just animated our AI fantasy partner. What's next? In upcoming videos, we'll show you how to get started in making your own AI fantasy partner.
And we'll walk you through the best tools to bring this technology into your relationship. If you want to start building your own AI-powered experiences, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
Welcome to the future of sex.